Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our civil 3D class. Today video is about how to show labels, crossing label and profile. This is our main alignment. The name is main road with the profile. About this one, I have another. If I hover over it, this one line, it's you can see TRCFL1, which is feature line. The other one, the crossing object here is a pipe. You can see the name, the pipe alignment line which with the profile. Also it have the profile. So in this video we will learn how to show label or how you can create your own label. In this video or maybe this 2 or 3 videos we will discuss this thing. Okay, first of all I will click on the profile, then I will go to the launchpad and here add crossing to profile view. Now it asking for select object to add to profile. You can see here or you can see with this sign, the square sign, there is a message select object to add to. If you will select other line, fully line, it will not appear here. As you can see it asking that please select again. The message is if I select anything, it asking for feature line or alignment. So you must select feature line or alignment. If you have anything, you should convert this first to feature line or alignment. So I will select this feature line and as you can see it select that one. Right click. Okay. From here you can see this feature line already is created feature line, then the name of the feature line. The crossing marker. The crossing marker means I will go here, this marker, type of marker, you can see here, this will show there. Okay, the marker, if I edit this one, the size is 2.5 mm. I can increase or decrease the size. I can select these two. I can change what you want, or I can use AutoCAD point from marker. You can select this one. Okay, here there are many type other. You can select this one. Let's go here and check from the down arrow. Just press and check what kind of marker style you have. Then I will leave this one which is by default selected. Okay, crossing label. Crossing label means this above the crossing there will be a label, a line, and a station elevation. So I will click here and I will say I have only name in the station and the standard. So if I choose the standard and watch, say here, it will like, if I click here and zoom, it will be like this, the station and the source elevation. The source, suppose this feature line or anything, it will take elevation from that source. Okay, so it is looking better than this one. Let's check here. There are also the crossing name, the crossing elevation and alignment. It's asking the 3 options, so anyone you can choose from one. Okay, this from here the elevation object, the object elevation manual, you can put manual surface, these two surfaces we have, so already I pick the two. The profile, this profile, you take this profile, you can put the elevation from here. I will use the object, the feature line elevation, and then click OK. And when I will go to the profile, now you can see here it's appear here. Okay, when I click here, I move this one. It means this belong to this point. Okay, one thing here. If you want to change the style for this one, if you don't like this one, just click here and go to profile view properties, and from here you will see when you attach the crossing, anything crossing here, this crossing tape will appear here. So from here, you this marker style, it wasn't clear there. So let's check the other one. Let's check this one. Okay, and from here I will change the standard, apply, and okay, and now as you can see it's appear here. So like this you can change the marker and the label style. Okay, next thing, when I will in insert the label for the alignment, let's see what will happen. So I will again click on the profile. From the profile I will go to the same layout pad and then add crossing to user. From here I will select the alignment and then right click. For the feature line, you as we notice, for the feature line is only take the one line. For the profile, it's take the five name of the profile, as you can see here, elevation for that one. Then this elevation is for the marker, and here the natural ground, and this the design ground. It's took all the elevation from here, as you can see this elevation 6x1 and the other one. Okay, so same like before, I can use the marker style, which one I want to change, intersection. Let's select the different one, but this one or same one. Okay, then okay. Also for this one, from here, if you want to change, just take the low point. Just select the move one. Okay, for the label, I will select the standard again here. We will learn how to create your own crossing label marker. Now use object because I don't need the natural ground, so I will turn off the natural ground and I will only turn on the profile design where the pipe is crossing. Now if I will go to here, you can see this passing in this area. It's the deviation. I click here and you can see is the source elevation. This is the elevation, the pipe passing here. As you can see the alignment label, the station and the elevation. Okay, the source elevation may be the other one I did not pick, but it take the profile design label here. Okay, so like this you can insert the label for the alignment, and this alignment is the label is dynamic to the design profile. If I change this one, let's change the elevation, and see it's changing. Before, if I click here like this one and I change the elevation, it is dynamically change this one. Or better, zoom this one and this one design. When I will change this point, I change is changing with this one. So this is also the dynamic with the design. As the design will change, this will change. Okay, now let's check the change the alignment. As I change the alignment, you can see it's moved. It's moved to its left and it's moved to its right. I will change. You can see station change here. The elevation is showing here. So like this, you can create a dynamic label for your profile. Okay, now to create your own marker, as you can see, we take different type of marker in the elevation and station to create your own marker or to edit your marker. First of all, you should know what style. The name style is KATR projection and section base. This one, or just from here you can change from journal, multi-purpose style, and then marker style. From the marker style, as we check here, KTR, this one. By who are done is KATR projection in the section base figure. In the section base figure, this one is using, so we can go and edit from here. This marker, as you can see, this style is using here. So you can change from here, or just click on here and go to crossing property. From here you can change this one. So first of all, let's turn off this crossing label, so we will create the crossing marker. So from here I will select the standard, then let's select the standard for all. Already this crossing label, or I will turn off the label. So the label is now turned off, only the alignment line, this profile label, and from here this label remain for the feature lines. So for this I will here you can change. From here you can edit this one. Okay, so by default I will select here the marker style. This let's select the general, the basic or standard. Here is a standard. Okay, for all this one, and also press S, so this will select the standard here. Okay, now for all, here I select the standard here. Here also for all I have changed this line. Okay, first of all I will make different marker style for each of the feature line, because this is you check here is the feature line, and this one for the profile, as you can see, and this line for the alignment 5 alignment, this one. So I will create 3 different marker style for these 3 sun showing in the profile. So for that let's check here this setting, then general, then the multi-purpose style, multi-purpose style, and then marker, the first one. Here right click and create new, and the new select here. The first one is for the this marker. We will select marker for the feature line. Okay, marker for feature line. If I can here, you can use AutoCAD font. You can use from here. This is a standard. You can use the AutoCAD log symbol from here. So let's with this circle, let's select this cross. From here you can adjust the marker rotation, but I will let as a 0. Okay, from here the size there is a different option. Use drawing scale. It will scale with the drawing. Use fixed scale. Use size in the absolute resolution. I will use the default one. Default one means it will the original drawing scale. It will be 2.5 millimeter to the original size scale. Word coordinate we mark it to the view. Okay, the display. Let's change this one. First of all, change here the profile, because you want to see it in the profile. In the profile, you can see this the marker, and this part the crossing vertical line. So this for both we are using for this line and for this marker. So I will just change here the color. Let's select the black one. The white. Okay. Let's select the other one, which will visible 77 or this one. Let's check anyone of the here, and line type, line scale. You can select from here the layer, the thickness, LT scale, block, anything you can select from here. And the summary is the detail for this one. So just click apply and okay. And this the marker feature line. Okay. So now as I select this line, I will go here, and from here this for the feature line, this marker style, this is standard. I will select standard, and from here I will select marker feature line, then apply and okay. Now you can see it's changed. So this is the first one for the this color is we will use for the feature line. I write here the feature line. Okay, just take copy from this one, and this the feature line. Just write here profile. For the profile, I will use the same marker, but in the profile I will select a different color. Let's select the blue. You can choose any color from here. This turn off on visibility. You can turn on, and here already we discussed this one. Then click OK. The marker symbol is the same. We did not change here. So I will select this one for the profile, and I will go here, and from here this the profile standard. So I will select profile. Now for the profile I select the blue marker. For the feature line I select the before it was the same. Okay. For this line, as you can see, the style crossing object style is standard. So let's create for this one also. I will take copy from the feature line. Let's take copy right here, alignment. For the alignment, I will select here the color in the profile. This also for the vertical. So let's select another type of color. Let's check this one, red with the line type. This because it's showing the center alignment, so I will select the center line. The scale I can adjust the 3 or like this one. The thickness, no problem for the thickness. Okay, and then okay. Now I will click here and just click here, and the 5 for the 5 alignment I will select from here this alignment, right? Okay, and now you can see the line already it's now clearly visible here. I can check if I change alignment here, it will change with this. So after creating marker for each feature line and alignment profile, let's start to create the label for these marker. So for first we will create for this profile and alignment marker. I will create label for this one. When I click on the marker, over here there is a crossing label style. Currently I put none. So if I on this one, let's turn on this. We have to name elevation in standard. If I click OK, you will see there is the name and the elevation, the name of the profile one, as you can see this one, and this is the profile number one. You can see this is the profile number one, and the station, crossing station, and the main road station also is mentioned here. I will delete this one. So let's create a new marker style for this one. If you want to create a custom label style for your marker, so for that I will go to this prospector tab, and from here I will click on the setting. Inside the setting I will go to the profile view. In the profile view you can see this like here there is a label style. In the label style, if you go here, this the crossing, it will be like this. In the crossing, if you open, there are the same option we have available here, this shown here. So let's create a new one. Click on the crossing and just create new. And the new is for the profile, so I will write profile label. Okay, in the general there are certain text style. If I zoom this one, you can see the standards. So from here you can change the style of your text here. Let's select the Roman, and now you can see it's changed to the Roman. The visibility is through a layer. You can select layer from here. Okay, the view orientation, the plan, readable true, the bias, this one, let's set the as a default and go to the layout. In the layout tool, you can see here, I will zoom this one. Here using the crossing text and the line, I will delete these two. Okay, and we will create another label for this one. I will zoom out this one, put it here. Okay, for the first I need a label here, so I will write click here and then select the text. The text, as you can see here, I will write name here. Anything you can write this profile. Okay, from here the visibility, it's true. Feature, anchor point the feature. The feature mean this this marker. This marker they are connected with this one. Okay, anchor point is top left, so I will select the middle left. I want to, it's shown here, so let's select the middle left here. Okay, the next thing, the label text we will select here inside the one, but I want to adjust the height here, the rotation, attachment, the middle center, so I will select the middle left here, and as I move on the x-axis I will put here the value, let's say 10 mm, or if it is less than 50 mm. 5 mm better. Now it's outside this one marker, so like this, by layer the color for this one. Let's select this color, and the gap, anything you can adjust from here. Okay, now we will go inside this one, and here I can select the label text from here. This the first thing is source. Here if I check here, the source station, source elevation, source object name, object type. So first I need the source object name. So from here I can select the uppercase, lowercase. So first I will select the source object name in the uppercase, in the format. From here this Roman, from here the center, let's say I will adjust on the left. So on center itself, and station we will adjust on the left, and let's select the black one here in the properties. Okay, the next thing I need here, suppose we need a station here, so I will select station and then equal. From here I will select source station and then okay, and then enter, and I need let's say the elevation, so I will write here ELE equal, and let's say select here the source elevation, and here okay. The from here you can select the rounding, like if you don't need exactly the station in a round figure, you can select this one. So like from here anything you can adjust here. Okay, you will left is like this, and here now you can see is the name, the crossing feature, station, and the elevation. It will look like this. Okay, and then I will apply and okay. Let's attach this as I create this one, this profile label. I will select the marker, going to property, and this one for the profile. I will select from here the label. I will select the profile label which I have created, and use object, apply, and okay. Now as you can see it's create. Okay. Like this you can create. If you want to rotate it with the font like this, or maybe the size of this is very the text is looking bigger, so just go inside this label, and from here reduce the size, okay, 2, and apply, okay, and it will reduce the size will be reduced here. Okay, like this you can create the profile style. From here you can adjust the rotation angle. If you want to rotate it, like zoom here, if you want to rotate you can put the angle here, and it will rotate like this, but then you must move this to the right or the left, so like this, or center, top center, and here middle middle right, like you can adjust this one. Just put 0, so it will be exactly where the location, and y in the y-axis, if you put here it will go little above. So the text size, if it is not looking good, you can change the text size here. Select all from the format here. Let's select the Arial, okay, and then apply, okay. Now like this you can create your custom label style, what you want. Okay, next we will create for the alignment, the label for the alignment. So what will I do? I will just copy this label. I will not create the new one. I will copy this one. So just right click here, select the new, and from here write alignment, the layout, the general. You will let like this. I will just select the, if here I have any type of area. Okay, I have already area, so let's check the area one. Let's zoom this one, layout, and the layout mostly things are the same, and just inside here what I need here, the let's delete the elevation. I don't need the elevation. The station, I just need a station with the if I write here the center line, or like if you like center line station, it will you can see it's coming here. So I just write the center line with the delete it from here, and right before the station right here, center line. Okay, so like this you can write center line with the crossing here. The angle it will move on the above here like horizontal align to the alignment line, so it's looking better. The size, everything is now okay. So I will click OK here. This click on the alignment, go here, and in the alignment label I will select here the alignment label. Now as you can see, this is the file, because this alignment name, as you can see, the alignment name, this alignment name is 5, so it's appear here 5 with the station, central line station. You can write before and after this one. So like this you can create for the alignment also. Okay, now I think the size of the text is a little bit smaller, so let's write 3 here, and now it's looking good. Okay, so this was the method for the marker of the profile in alignment. Let's create style for the feature line. So from feature line, if I click here, I go to feature line, in the label style I will select standard, apply OK. As you can see the standard here, already we have the standard one, but if you want to change or to create your own new style, just I will delete this one. Okay, from the standard I will take copy. I will write here feature line label. Okay, and the general standard through anything here I don't want to change. I will just zoom this one. Okay, and the layout tab, if you can here we are using just two line here. So if I want to create my own new, I will delete this too. The first thing I want to create the line. The line is the main thing here. With the line I will align my label. Okay, so this feature line I will name this one visibility true, start point and anchor. Okay, anchor with this one. Then the start point, anchor point, top left or the middle. let's select the middle left, and from here true. Okay, this will select the endpoint anchor. I will select anchor point feature, and this I will write dimension. Dimension means the percentage of the total length. So by default it will create 2 inch, like 1 inch here. How much it's in millimeter? It will be like 2 inches. So the percentage length. So it will be like the percentage. Okay. Now for the text, I will create another option here. Text. The text is also label for feature line. True. I will. Okay. Already I have, maybe I will write this one. Visibility to anchor point is this feature line. This feature line is my, now I don't want to attach with the marker, so I will attach with the feature line. The anchor point is start or middle or end. So if you will select the end, if you will select the end point, it will click go here. Okay, the label text, the size of the text here, I will okay, with the middle center, it will attach to the middle center. So if you want to move little here to here, just write the x value -5, and you will see it will come down. So the y, for the y value, if you move up and down, put here value, and if you want to move like this, just from the value here, and as you can see, like if you need like here, just select this one, and just go to the label from here, the format standard, this simplex. I need Arial, so just select Arial from this one. Okay, from the properties, what I need, the source name. So I will select the object source name with the upper letter here. Okay, then I need the station and elevation. So the same process, I will write station, and here I will select the source station. Then I need the elevation, so I will write ELE dash here, and source elevation. Okay, if you want to write this board or showing from here, you can select board here, this elevation. It will be convert this source and name like this one, and then just click OK. And now you can see this will be the crossing feature. It will board like here, and just don't need anything other. Just apply OK, and I will select the marker going here in the feature line. Here option, I will select the feature line label. Okay, apply OK, and just tick this one. If you want to change something, first create this one, and then just go to the feature line label. From here just click edit. Okay, if the size of the text is bigger, you can adjust this one. This is the feature line name. Okay, the attachment, if you want to, the attachment, the left right are moving here, because I move text, so I will this text 5, I will just write 0, and let's check where it's a center. Okay, so if you want like this, or move on the x-axis -5, okay, +10, like this it will be adjusted. So like this you can create, or if you want to move adjust this one, you can adjust drag outside here. You can do it like this one. So like this you can create this one for this feature line. The name of this feature line, as you can see, TRCFL1. So this showing TRCFL1 here. You can change the color from for this label. So like this you can adjust your own label for the profile alignment. And so now let's adjust our label. But sometimes we are facing problem this the label intersecting each other, as you can see here. So how you will adjust your label? For the label setting, already we know if we go to setting in the profile view, there is crossing, and from here you can right click and but this is too much lengthy process. For the short process, just click on the label you want to adjust, and from here go to label properties. In the label properties, as you can see, now it's about the current general setting. In general setting, this is projection source type, so it's feature line. The projection source name is feature line name. The above, the dimension interruption is above 15.36. This the length is 15.36, and the feature label already we have created this. So if I check here, I just click on the pix, and when I click on the pix, you can see it's go down here. The label is why it's happened because when you put here 0, it means it will go to the 0 elevation. We are from where start the 0 elevation. So if I put here, what should value I should put here? As you can see the data, from the data it's starting here this 670 668. If I say put 668, it's mean this anchor point will go to that point. Let's check this one. I will put 668. 668 made this elevation. You will come here, and when I press enter, you can see it's come here. So like this in the fixed elevation, if you have the same feature line, select all and just come here and then fix. You can change one by one also. If sometimes you have a problem to read the label, so you can adjust this one. Manually you can also uh, click here, and from this grip you can rotate this one. But this the fix command. From here you can adjust the height of the above mean above. It's when you click above, it's the zero showing the 00 mean it's from the marker height. From the marker height it's above how much it will be above from the marker. So let's say I need this 30 mm above from a marker. When I press enter, you can see 30 something above. You can adjust the 30, 50, or as you like. You can put the value and it will go above. The next option is below. Below means from this point, the marker point, he will go below to this one. Sometimes like this, if they are intersection each other or intersection design anything, so you can put it below. The graph view tab, graph view, this is our graph view, which means it will go to this one. If I click here, graph view, above t, if I select 0 value, you can see exactly this anchor point on the top of the. From the next option, this graph view bottom, it will go to the graph view bottom. So generally we are putting this as the above here, like this you can study. Okay, the next thing, if you click on the grip, as you can see it doesn't move it right to left, so just bring it to the center, and now you can see it's going to the right. So from here, when you click again on the grip, you have option to move in around any of the side here. Just also the anchor point from here is the same elevation. Follow the elevation which you go. Okay, from here this plus sign, add leader vertex. You can if you want sometime like this, you can create a vertex. If you don't need, you other plus sign. If you want, you can create many vertices like this, vertices like this. So when you don't need any vertices, just click on the minus sign and it will remove. Suppose we need only this one, so it will even do like this. Okay, next thing, this option move the leader vertex. It will only move the leader, the vertex, not the label. If you don't want, just click on the minus, and from here you can rotate your label anywhere. And the circle, if you want to restore to the original one position, just click on it. It will go to the original position how you have created this one. Okay, the next thing, if you want to edit the text, you will go here from the crossing, you will select, suppose this is the feature line, you will click here edit, and inside the edit you will go to the layout, and from this layout inside this feature you will go to text, and from here you will go here. So the short method to change this one, just click here and add label text. In the edit label text, it will directly open from here. You can check the format of the text, how it's showing. Suppose let's say we want to align this one the center to left or right. So just select the elevation. It's on the center. If I want to put on the left, just click OK. And now you can see it's all on the left side. So it's the edit label text, clear label text. You can clear label text override what you have done. You will undo this one. So from this label, you can select short. This is the shortcut for changing or adjusting. Once if the next thing, once you have done this one, this before, if you see here, they are gray. If you click here, they are gray. They are not working. But when you adjust by rotating to anyone, this you can see now they are highlighted. It's mean you move the from the original point, and from this toggle label style. Sometimes if you have main hole, suppose like here, main hole are always connected to the design like this one. If you have, I will move to the natural ground because we have created the label to natural ground. Sometimes the label, the arrow doesn't follow the top of the manhole, it follows this one. So for that purpose, this toggle label is using. So when you select this one, and you rotate this label around the manhole to adjust your arrow along this one. As you can see now, the arrow is pointing us, but in the that position, if it is following the center, you can adjust from the toggle plan label. But already it is on the top, so we don't need this one. But I was the use of this one to, if your arrow is not pointing the center, you can adjust from here. Okay. Next thing, for the this one, the same process. If you want to adjust this, because these are the, if you can see this the child style from the this profile and alignment, the child style, child mean we copy this one to this one. So we will make changes to one, it will change to another one. So like this in the same process, it is as you can see, we are double click is crossing each other, so you can adjust like this one, or you can toggle label like to use this one, or you can adjust like this if you want. It's going outside, just click here and or below. So like this you can adjust your label. If sometimes it's creating problem, you can adjust your label according to your need, or to